Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to stream on TikTok for PC. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so firstly what you want to do is open up the TikTok Live Studio. Now you can get on this by searching it up on the Google search engine, just TikTok Live Studio, or you should be able to see it on your profile icon, and the YouTube Studio should be just under View Profile. But for me, it's not showing up, so I went ahead and searched it up on the Search Console. Okay, so go ahead and select Free Download for Windows. Now, do note it does say it only supports 64-bit Windows 10 or newer, so just have a look at your program before you download the TikTok Live Studio. So all we need to do is wait for that to fully download. So I've just clicked off that now. So all you need to do now, go onto your bottom left, you'll see type here to search. And all you need to do is search up TikTok. You'll get the Windows 32 or 64 application. This is basically going to take you through the user control, and all you need to do is click yes to download. So we'll do that now. So we'll get a user control pop-up now. And you'll then get a little pop-up on your actual tabs here. So you'll see here that the destination folder is within the program files. Go ahead and click to install. So just wait for the TikTok Live Studio to install. So next is the completion of the studio setup. All you need to do now is go ahead and click finish. So that's pretty much it. You'll see here the TikTok Live Studio. All you need to do is log in to begin. So once the login is successful, it'll go ahead and log in to the TikTok Live Studio. So you could do the for beginners, so set up now, or import from another tool, or you can go live now. So there's a couple of options it gives you. I'm just going to go ahead and say go live now. So you'll still be able to manage your settings from the streaming view. What I'll do actually is I'll just go through the beginners just so you guys can see this. So you can see that our microphone's working. And if I go ahead and click next, so of course my camera is off at the minute, but I am using the OBS virtual camera, so it will work fine. And I'm happy enough with that. So you also have your streaming settings. You can see that our upload speed is around 40 Mbps, so it's decent for what it is. It's okay for what it is now. And of course our download speed should be a little bit better, which is 15.55. So you have to take into account during the time of the day as well, whether the traffic will be a little bit busier. So just take that into note if you are going to be streaming. It could be better, it could be worse. So it's great the fact that it shows us the speed test. So happy enough with that, I'll click OK. Then it shows us the video quality, so we can have it at 720p or maximum, which is 1080p, but it suggests that we keep it at 720p. You got your resolution, your FPS, you've got the, let's see, the one that would be important, so you could set a stream latency as well if you want to. But we'll just go ahead and click next. So you could do landscape screen or landscape scenes or portrait scenes. So we'll just say the landscape scenes, and all you need to do now is click finish. So there you are. Welcome to TikTok Live Studio, and it gives you just a guide within 3 minutes. So you could start. So access not available. Okay, no problem. So a bit of a mirror there. However, there you go, that's pretty much it. So we've got our little camera here, so depending how we're streaming, of course we'll have our setup in the bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right, that's where we'll be. And of course, we'll be viewing the actual screen, which could be our gaming screen, or if we're playing on mobile, or if we're playing on the PC, that's where we'll have it. So pretty much another version of Twitch, if you guys imagine it, this is what it is. So TikTok Live Studio, so you could pretty much have everything here. You've got your images, you've got your display capture, your camera, of course, which is this. You've got a chat box, which would be on the top right, or of course you can have it here, depending how you want to set it up. So you can have it like this. So if you're a streamer or someone who's just on the go, like any sort of bloggers as well, you can have your screen here and then have this here, and of course have a camera for where you're going. You've got alerts, you've got goals as well, so you've got your follower goals, so you can pretty much just set up the screen to however way you want to set it up. So quite a good bit of kit on the TikTok Live Studio itself. So there you have it, folks. That is how to stream on TikTok for PC. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.